Hi everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. In this fall season, make a delicious butternut squash halwa. It's quick and easy sweet dish that you can serve when you have a small gathering or even in a potluck. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel and stick to the end because I'm gonna share a secret just between us. I have half grated butternut squash. I peeled the skin off before grating. This is about 7.5 cups of grated butternut squash, 1/4 cup of ghee, 2 pinches of ground cardamom, roughly chopped almonds and cashews, half cup of sugar, a little less than half cup of grated coconut. I am using frozen coconut, and 1 cup of milk. Have an Instant Pot ready on saute mode. Add 1/4 cup of ghee. Let the ghee heat up for a few seconds and then add grated butternut squash. Mix it using a spatula so the grated butternut squash are coated with ghee. And let it cook for just about a minute. Be sure to keep stirring so nothing sticks at the bottom of the pot. Usually the process of cooking takes about an hour on stovetop, but Instant Pot makes it easy. You can also use a regular pressure cooker if you prefer that. After 1 minute of cooking, add 1 cup of milk. Now close the Instant Pot. Make sure to close the air vent as well. Turn off the saute mode. Put the Instant Pot on manual mode for 5 minutes, not 7 minutes. I made that mistake. And you'll see what happened in just a minute. Let the Instant Pot release the pressure naturally, which will take about 12 minutes or so. Then open the lid. Give it a stir. I realized that it burned a little and it got stuck at the bottom of the pot. I should have just put it on 5 minutes instead of 7. And no, this is not the secret I wanted to tell you. You're gonna have to wait for some time. The next steps I'm gonna show you is something you can continue with the Instant Pot, keeping it on saute mode. But since it got burned, I'm going to transfer it to a non-stick pot and continue on stovetop. I'm gonna keep the flame on medium to low. Let this come to a simmer. Now add ground cardamom, sugar, and roughly chopped nuts. Most of the Indian sweet dish would have cardamom added to it, but you can totally skip adding cardamom if you're not a big fan of it. And let's give this a mix. You can adjust the sugar level as per your preference. I'm going to keep stirring it till the sugar gets completely dissolved. If you prefer to use stovetop from the start, I would recommend to use non-stick pot. Once the sugar is completely dissolved and butternut squash halwa has started to thicken, add grated coconut and keep it on low flame for a couple of minutes. I forgot to hit record button when I added grated coconuts. Rookie mistake. This is a perfect consistency of butternut squash halwa and it will thicken up as it cools down. Turn off the flame. Butternut squash halwa is ready. And are you ready to know my secret? Of course you are. Well, I highly recommend you all that you enjoy this butternut squash halwa chilled and with vanilla ice cream. It is a bomb combination and I'm not kidding. If you have a sweet tooth, you will love it. Trust me. Hope you enjoyed this recipe video and do give it a try. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below whether you liked it or not. Do subscribe to my channel and share out this dessert recipe video with friends and family. But don't reveal the secret. Let them enjoy the suspense too. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.